WorldQuest. We've just checked in, quite quick and easy to be honest. The lift from the airport was only about 25 minutes. So we've got a pool view room on the 4th floor.
We're going to give you a quick room tour before we go in. And yeah, let's go and see everybody.
And isn't this a 3-bedroom one?
This is a 3-bedroom condo.
Right, come in, hold the door.
Oh wow, it's huge.
Nasty for you,
Oh my goodness,
Let's
look.
get the rest of the lights on.
Oh my goodness, look at the sofas. And the table.
Nothing more lights.
And there's a fan up there. This is our kitchen. Oh wow. Look. We have a big American fridge. Look at the size of the oven.
Have the American lights.
Dishwasher, double sink.
Have the American lights.
We have a balcony.
Little breakfast bar, a wee welcome thing there.
Oh, a little welcome pack, look. Some breakfast bar stools. Look at this here. This is just gorgeous. The dining area.
There's one bedroom here. Well, this is unusual. I thought the balcony was always off the bedroom.
So here's a bedroom here. This is a different style.
Yeah.
So this is bedroom 3, I think. That's bedroom 3. And then we're back at the front door here and coming down this long hallway. Ground floor bathroom. That is lovely. Good sized bath, toilet, sink.
The double
This
bedroom.
is the twin bedroom.
This is my one.
Oh, it's gorgeous. You've got a lovely walk-in wardrobe.
I'm playing with Jacob.
And you've got your, look at the size of your TV. This is gorgeous.
Let's go see this one.
I think this is Mum and Daddy's room.
This should be Mummy and Daddy's room. Oh, there's
Wait.
the light switch.
Wait, then what's this room?
Oh, there's the fan. You might have to pull the fan. That's Noah's room. And then there's another ensuite. Hang on.
Yeah, this is definitely ours. Look at the size of that.
Oh my goodness, look at the tub. Oh my. This is gorgeous. A gorgeous, gorgeous shower. Oh. And a jetted tub. Oh my, I will be getting in there. And a his and hers sink. Perfect. And in here, it looks like we have a wardrobe.
Oh, this
Oh, for all our closets.
And there's only one room left.
Look at the size of the bed.
There is one
That is bigger than a double.
There's one.
That's bigger than a king.
I don't know what that is.
It's a gorgeous jet bar.
But look, there's one
This is
more
different.
room.
And what's in here? Oh, it's a washer dryer.
Oh, there you
See
go.
that in week 2.
Mummy's house is a bit of storage, isn't it? Oh, that's
Oh,
weird.
that must be like the
The
heating
water
cupboard.
boiler.
Thermostat for the heating.
And this is Noah's room.
And this will be Noah's room. Wow.
He has a king-size bed.
You only need a bed.
I still can't get over this living room. Look at it, it's gorgeous. And we better see the balcony and what view we have then.
Oh, I think we've got a pool view.
So we can get to the balcony from the kitchen, but we can also get from the living room. You can't get that
Because
open.
the ones we've seen online.
And there we go. And we have a table and chairs out here.
This is all
And it's all netted so that
Look.
no midges can come in.
Or anything else.
Oh, look, the view. That's what he was saying about. You can see Disney fireworks across there.
Why, does that take you across towards Disney, does it?
Come see the little pool.
Yeah.
Wow.
there's a-
Disney fireworks are on
Yeah.
And a view of the swimming pool.
That's a hot tub.
Stunning.
Hot tub like that. Lovely. Lovely resort.
Daddy, that's on the hot tub down there.
Is there a hot tub down
There are
there?
2 holes in there.
What do you see, Esme?
Hot
You see
tub.
there's a hot tub down there?
It's a separate hot tub.
Oh, wow.
That little pool.
So what's your favourite bit of the room, guys?
My bedroom.
Your bedroom.
My bedroom.
Which one's your bed? Have you chose it yet?
Yeah.
Let's go and choose it.
My 7 beds. I'm sleeping with Jacob. I'm definitely sleeping with
It's class.
So gorgeous.
Yeah. Yeah, really nice. Close that door so there's no
Find the kids. Where did they go? You could get lost in here. Oh, you're in your rooms. Oh, beautiful.
I sleep with Boy Boy.
Morning, so I am heading down to the gym. Gem's sorting outfits out for today, and the pool doesn't open for another hour, so I've taken advantage and said I'd come down and use the gym. Got to say, I'm loving this resort. It's so quiet. This apartment is huge, absolutely huge. Our bathroom in our ensuite, there's a big walk-in shower, there's a jet tub, the kids have their own bathroom, Noah's in his own bedroom, Esme and Jacob are sharing a big double bedroom, and then Gem and I are in the master, and it is huge. Lovely terrace. We're in a big corner unit. He moved us when we first arrived and put us in a corner unit, so we have a partial pool view and we have a lake view from there, and we're so pleased with it, so pleased with it. It's quiet at night time. It might be the side of the complex we're on. We're out in the balcony. You can hear people in the pool. It's meant to be till 11 o'clock. We were out having a little beer and wine on the balcony last night, and I think the music by the pool stayed on to about 1:45 to midnight. Now, it's not a concern for us because our bedrooms are all at the other side, so it's only the kitchen and balcony that's at that side, so it doesn't cause any issues for us. I'm not sure if that's the same for all of them. But yeah, overall, loving it. It's comfortable. Any things we've had to deal with, reception have been very good. Gem locked us out of the safe and someone's there within 10 minutes and sorted it out. So yeah, really good. I'll show you the gym. I'm just about to go and get access to it now, and I'll show you inside. So the fitness centre is just down when you come into the main lobby. Turn left. Use your key card to get in. And obviously there are conditions here as you would expect. It's small but seems to have the basics. Complimentary towels and things here. A range of weights of various sizes. These are mine obviously. And yeah, they have the shutters down. They've got the running machines that look quite funky. All singing and all dancing. Not a huge cardio fan, but they're there. Got a bench for doing weights, and then like again, cross trainer on steroids. There's mats, and there's other mats over here for doing various exercises. So yeah, it's small enough. We've got water and everything here. It's small enough, but absolutely fine for what you need. If you want to come in and work out while you're on holiday, there's something here for everybody really. You can have a good workout and get creative as how you do the different body parts. So yeah, I'll leave you there while I have a workout.
Here we are coming into the main lobby. I'll take you in and show you what it's like in here. You come in and you have some seats just here. Main reception to the right. And if you walk down here, you have a ticket desk here. I believe this is where you get your shuttle, get booked onto your shuttle. Coffee machine, which is actually quite nice. And down here, table and chairs, and you can look out to the fountain and the pool out there. There's a door going out that way, and a door going out this way. And then our Uber is here, so I will show you the rest later. So I have just come down to video where you come from the main reception area and out to the pool. You come this way, and here is a beautiful fountain. We tell the children that they can make wishes on that and they throw a coin in, although we haven't had any coins yet, so they've just had to make a wish. And you get to this bit here and there's the pool right in front of you. This building here to my left is the building that we're staying in. This is building 1, which is closest to the pool. This is building 2 to the right of me. Now I think if you stayed there, you may get the fireworks view. I'm not too sure. We'll try and figure that out for you. And then you've got building 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 all the way down along there. You've got tables and chairs around here. And the pool is just gorgeous. It's such a lovely temperature as well in August. Speakers for the music are under the trees. Here's my lot all having fun in the pool. Hello! Yes! Hello! I'm coming to join you.
Coming in?
Yeah. And before I join them, I'm just going to take you for a quick look up here at the hot tub. We haven't actually been in it yet. I did dip my toe in, it was very hot. I'll do the same again now. And just up here is your hot tub area. As you can see, nobody is in it. I think that is because it is just so hot here today. 32 degrees, but lovely. Right, so that's a little tour of the pool. I'm going to jump in with them now.
Front flip time. Yeah! Oh yeah! Dive bomb.
A dive bomb? Go on then. Oh, Ezzy. I can't believe it. You can learn how to dive so well. Well done. Absolutely love this little area. It's a load of sunbeds, big lagoon style pool. Music on around here, but not too loud. It's decent music as well. Not that I'm a Miley Cyrus fan, but it's inoffensive music. The water's lovely. We were slightly concerned about the pool temperature because we'd read some reviews about the pool being cold, but I think, to be honest, they were probably being written back in March and April. Absolutely no concern at this time of year. It's absolutely beautiful.
So I'm just bringing you guys up here to give you a tour of the pool house. You've got another gate there that takes you through to the other buildings if you're staying in one of those. This is the pool house. You're just right here by the pool. There is a box there that has all toys in that you can take. Here's your towels, and you have another one this side too. And then you have your men and your women's, your drink fountains. I'll just give you a quick tour of the women's. There is a baby change table here, so if you have little ones, that's where you can change your babies. There's sinks, hand towels, and your toilet cubicles. And then down here at the very end you have a larger one, which is good if you have little toddler or if you are disabled. And then a shower as well. Okay, come back out and see if I can get a sneaky look at the men's. The men's is exactly the same. There's a table there, and looking in, let's see if there's anyone in here. Exactly the same, larger toilet down the end. There you go. So, if you're looking back down towards the clubhouse or the lobby area there, that's our building there, building 1. Walking around to the side, you have tables and chairs just over there. And if you look up there at the edge, if you look up to the 4th balcony, that is indeed ours. And that is where we are overlooking this lake over here. Now there is a pathway behind there that you can use to get all the way around to the apartments as well, in the different blocks. So I still think it's one of those apartments down there that will have the view of the fireworks, because our apartment is there and we're looking that way. We can see them to the left. Probably isn't then, it probably still is building 2. It's this building here. So if you want a view of the fireworks, I think you're best asking for a high up floor, building 2. And you should see straight over those trees over there to where the fireworks go off.
Bar, which is a little pool bar, which is open, I think about midday through to later on, so I'll have a look. I'm not sure they do food. If they do, I'll try and get a look at the menu for you.
Did they give you a flower?
Yes, I've got one.
Oh,
Thank
sorry.
Hey mate, how's it going? Do you serve food?
Yes.
Yeah, can I have a look?
Just flip the side.
Sure. What time are you open till?
It just depends on the day. It does know one of the pools should be closed like earlier than regular hours. I could say like around like 6:30 we're gonna shoot.
Okay.
Down if that's not one of the pool. Otherwise you're gonna stay on 7, 8. It just depends.
Just depends how.
For the first time ever this holiday, we have brought the kids to the pool at night time. We have sat on the balcony and watched people down here having fun till 11 o'clock at night, and we've never done it. And today, with it being our rest day, we thought this would be the perfect time to do it. The storm's gone, the sun is setting over there, and the pool, there's a few people around it, there's music playing and the atmosphere is nice.